How to make YouTube shorts with Canva. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your YouTube shorts using canva.com for free. So let's get into this. First of all, here you can see this is the Canva. Now what I need you to do is basically search for YouTube shorts. So it is directly going to give you some templates related to that. You can use the blank template as well and create your own short video, but it is basically important because it gives you the right proportions for the video of YouTube short, which is 920 by 1080 pixels. You can create this one using this custom size option on the Canva, and you can create the template for yourself, which will be blank, and you can upload your content on that. You can add elements, you can make videos, whatever you want to do. But here you can see I have some content related shorts. Okay, so here you can see I have got some templates related to that. Today on the vlog, here you can see this is basically a person who is vlogging or introducing their own normal breakfast thing, or this is basically this is what hike to see the wonder, and this is basically the person who is playing something. So these are ones that are available for the paid version of Canva, like the pro version, and these are the ones you have to pay to get. So I'm just going to use this template right now. It is a 5-second template, and you can basically customize this template by clicking this option, and it is going to be 5 seconds. You can add on different other templates as well and make it a longer video, or you can upload the content that you have created on this. You can create your short videos, and you can basically elongate this one to 1 minute 60 seconds because that's the maximum limit for a YouTube short. So I'm just going to wait until it loads. Okay, so here you can see that this is the first video. This is the first clip of my video, and today on the vlog, and this is basically a person who is telling what it has happened on the daily vlog, on the daily routine of that person, what it's like. So you can basically, if you want to change anything on this, like if you want to remove any element, you can change that. And but if you don't, just go on with that. I'm good with that. Now I'm going to add a new page. For that, what I'm going to do is basically go on to some other results, like let's say this is a cooking recipes. I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to drag it here, and this is going to be my next slide, and it is going to be for 6 seconds. Now what you can do is you can add other of them as well. Like you can see this is the cooking recipe and delicious and healthy breakfast. You can add this as well. It is related to cooking, so I'm just going to let it be. I'm not going to add that right now. Okay, so here you can see that this is cooking recipe. It is giving a vibe of like it is basically it is the first slide. So I'm just going to remove all of these elements like this so that it looks like the continuation of the previous videos. Now if I take this bar right here, and here you can see this is the first today on the vlog, and the next thing that happens is basically this person starts making the breakfast and adds milk to some bowl or something. So it looks like, okay, so I have started telling what happened on the vlog. Now I can add different clips like this of the cooking in from these options, add page, and after I'm done, I have created the video and it is long enough, it is less than 1 minute. I can just go on, click on this option which says share, and I can just download the video from this option right here, and when the video is downloaded, I can go on to YouTube and upload that video as my YouTube short. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.